So I'm about to start taking out the motor here come next week, taking it up to Pennsylvania for my brother to put in his Cherokee for the time being until we do the BHW swap. Of course, I have my hybrid motor over in the corner with the GTD 1756. I'm making a very short video this morning. This is nothing really important, but just to afford you guys the opportunity, if there's something that you want to see in this swap process, something that you might be afraid of, that might be hindering your desire to do, excuse me, this swap in a vehicle, you know, this is the opportunity to at least ask the questions. And of course, if I can, you know, produce a video that'll help you, that's all I'm here for. I'm not trying to make any money. I'm not trying to sell anything. Just trying to help people come up with sweet swaps like that. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll answer all of them. And if you need me to make videos, I'll make videos. If not, I'll do a time lapse like I did with the CJ. And then hopefully here by springtime, this will be all nice and done and ready to hit the road.